Ndị Igbo, this is a call to unity and thanksgiving. A historic day has been set, a day for one people, one voice, and one heart lifted in gratitude. For the first time in our history, Igbo archbishops and bishops, in one spirit, with Ohaneze Ndị Igbo, have set aside the last Saturday of January as the Igbo World Day of Adoration and Thanksgiving. On January 31st, 2026, from 9 a.m. to noon, the Igbo people at home and across the nations will stand as one. One language, one faith, one voice of gratitude. In churches everywhere, worship will rise in the Igbo tongue, echoing a story the world cannot forget. A people who walked through war, loss, and long years of marginalization, yet refused to be broken. This is not just a service. It is remembrance. It is survival. It is thanksgiving for a people who endured with faith. Anglican, Catholic, Methodist, Presbyterian, Pentecostal leaders, together with CAN, Southeast Zone, invite every Igbo heart, young and old, near and far, to join this sacred hour. Prepare your spirit, lift your voice, give thanks to God for the Igbo journey, a journey of courage, faith, and triumph. January 31st, 2026, the Igbo world rises as one.